All right, Heather, here we have your 1/24 scale Ford Explorer. Well, I'm sorry, Ford Interceptor Utility. Of course, we all know it's an Explorer. Painted and decaled as a West Virginia State Police unit. Lighting was added that you requested, and also the siren that you requested. Added antennas to this, as I said I would on the details of it. These antennas will have to come off in shipping. To ship it, I mean, because if not, they're going to come off anyway, and they may get lost in the box. Now, this middle one here, I may be able to leave it on, I don't know, but the other two I'll take off, put in a little bag for you. The whip antenna, I'll go ahead and mount it because it's springy, okay? So you don't have to worry about it breaking off, so I'll just kind of fold it under, and I'll do something with it, maybe put it under the light bar or something if it'll stay, I don't know, but anyway, I'll figure something out to do with that. But I don't even have it mounted in the fender yet. I just kind of stuck it in the side there. There's a hole drilled for it, so I don't know. I may end up shipping it to you, letting you put just the tiniest drop of glue on it and stick it in place. But anyway, one way or the other, you'll know it when you get it. Front push bar is mounted as well. I left it where I leave it where it could be removed. I can't even remember now. I can't remember. It's pretty sad. I believe it'll pull off. Yep, okay. So if you want to take the bumper off, you can. Again, if you want me to glue it on there, I can glue it on so it'll stay on. Either way, I did go ahead and add the little decals and everything for it too. So looks pretty cool. Now the car itself, of course, front doors are all that open on these. The rear hatch or the hood do not open. Added the interior work light for you. And of course the grille strobes, flashing headlights, flashing taillights, blue strobe light bar, and then also blue strobes in the rear window. And as I mentioned, the siren. When the first time you change the battery, you'll notice I've got some bubble wrap around the battery just to keep the battery from flopping around in shipping. I don't want to bang around and maybe knock a window out or break a wire or something of that nature. So when you change the battery for the first time, or whoever changes it, you can toss the bubble wrap in the garbage. There's a little note in there telling you that. But anyway, you'll see that when time comes. Two switches on the bottom, main power here in the center, and then on the driver's side muffler is your siren on, and then tone selection, and also you can turn it back off. We'll go through those in a second. So we're going to turn the main power on. As you can see, again, the antenna, I just have it set in there. So anyway, I'll take care of that for you. One way or the other, you'll know it when you get it. The strobes on this, the grille strobes and the rear strobes are a triple strobe and then a simultaneous flash. You see those couple different speeds. Those I call them patterns. Anyway, a couple different speeds of flash rates there. Again, your flashing headlights, you see those. Correct front license plate on here. The interior, the MDT laptop and items are in there as well. Again, with your interior work light, you can see that shining there on the console, microphone, and everything in there. Blue strobe light bar. That one antenna's out of line. Look at that, crooked. As they say, crooked as a dog's hind leg. Flashing taillights on this one. And then also you see your triple strobes in the rear visor. So you got those on there as well. And also license plate on the rear. You can't see it for the shadow. There we go. And again, all the other decals as the picture shows on the internet that I shared with you. The siren itself, again, is just Evan Designs 4-tone siren kit. First tone kind of runs through a few different, or first press to turn it on, run through a few of the tones. Hear the air horn kick in there, and then it just kind of repeats again. Each press there will take another lock in a tone. Try not to spend a whole lot of time on the siren. Most people know the sounds, but it's your truck, so I want you to hear those. And of course, you can turn that off as well. Thank goodness. So yeah, you can run the lights without the siren. So anyway, there you have it. Like I said, it turned out pretty cool. Like I said, I love anything with all blue lights. Really cool. Like I said, you give me a silver car with all blue lights, maybe because it's Kentucky State Police in Virginia. Those cars kind of, you know, the same look to them, color, and the silver I just think looks good. So anyway, I appreciate the order. You already have your Dukes of Hazzard car. Obviously got that to you. You've acknowledged that, so you know you have it too. Appreciate it, and like I said, I'll get this uploaded, and I will send a reminder for the PayPal invoice for the balance, and you can pay it when you get a chance. Thank you very much. Get my fingers out of the way. New camera, I can't get used to it.